student, earlier we learnt sentences. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Today we will study kinds of sentences. Sentences are of four kinds. Those are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentence states, declares something. Interrogative sentence asks a question. Imperative sentence command, request, desire, appeal. Exclamatory sentence strong, sudden feelings. Now I will tell you the example of declarative sentence. Those which make statements as the book was on the table. Lenny plays tennis every day. A statement can be negative too, as I am not hungry. They do not go to school. Imperative sentence. Those which express command, request or entreats as be quiet, have mercy upon us. Exclamatory sentence. Those which express strong feelings as how cold the night is. What a shame. Now the last one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Those which ask questions as where do you live? Have you ever seen the Qutub Minar? What is your name? Now we will classify the sentences and put the correct punctuation mark. Open the book at page 24. It is declarative sentence. So we will put here full stop. How hot it is. It is a exclamatory sentence. So we will put here exclamation mark. Have you ever heard about Kumbhakarna? It is a interrogative sentence. We will put interrogative mark. Turn on TV down. It is a declarative sentence. What channel is the program on? It is a interrogative sentence. So we will put here question mark. The moon goes around the earth. It is a declarative sentence. So we will put here full stop. Read the instruction carefully. It is a declarative sentence. We will put full stop here. Can you lend me your DVD player? It is interrogative sentence. So we will put here question mark. Write the answers of remaining questions in comment box.